Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 93 of TS MCET 2020 9th September morning shift paper. Okay, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video will be uploaded. In this question, it is said that a simple harmonic oscillator of frequency 1 Hz has phase of 1 radian. Okay, by how much should be the origin is to be shifted in time so as to make the phase of the oscillator vanish. We have to make phase of the oscillator, that is phi should be equals to 0. We know that simple harmonic oscillator phase is given by phi is equals to omega t. Now we know that omega is equals to 2 pi f, which is equals to 2 pi into 1 hertz, because frequency is given as 1 hertz. So I'm substituting here, so it will be equals to 2 pi. Now this is angular frequency. Okay, now if pi is equals to 1, then t is equals to pi upon omega from this expression. Now if I substitute the values, that is 1 pi is equals to 1 we are substituting, and upon omega is equals to 2 pi. It means that t is equals to 1 by 2 pi. If I am able to shift this value, that is 1 by 2 pi, in negative direction, then the phase of the oscillator will vanish. So the answer will be equals to minus 1 by, we have to shift this much to make phase of the oscillator to vanish in negative direction. So we are taking minus here. It means that option 2 is your right answer.